HansaMicra Thermostatic Shower Mixer. Installing the mixer. The HansaMicra Thermostatic Shower Mixer comes in two basic models, available as several different sales units. A shower mixer with a half-inch connection for a shower hose. A bath and shower mixer with a diverter and fixed spout, as well as a half-inch connection for a shower hose. Check the operating conditions. The maximum hot water temperature is 80 degrees Celsius, and the operating pressure is a minimum 1 bar and a maximum 10 bar. Check the contents of the package before installation. Installation of the mixer requires a 30mm spanner or a wrench. Installation. Attach the mixer to replaceable or fixed input couplings using 3/4 inch nuts. The installation distance between them is 150 plus or minus 3 mm. Basic mixer models are also available, equipped with different mounting mechanisms and also for reversed hot and cold water supplies. Use couplings with stop valves to make maintenance easier. Start the installation by fixing the mixer into position. Place the litter filters facing the right way inside the connection nuts. Connect the mixer to the input couplings using a 30mm spanner or a wrench. Hot water to the left and cold water to the right. Attach the shower hose to the mixer body. Open the water supply to the mixer.